Are you ready to discover how I can turn your high-end real estate into the talk of Charleston's luxury market? As your guide to luxury living in Charleston, I'm here to share my insider secrets on marketing your luxury property that'll have potential buyers lining up at your doorstep. Let's dive into the world of luxury real estate marketing strategy that's tailored specifically for the discerning clientele of the South Mount Pleasant and Charleston markets. Start with landscaping. A manicured lawn, trimmed hedges, and pops of color from seasonal flowers can make your property feel vibrant and cared for. If your front door looks tired, give it a fresh coat of paint. Choose a color that complements the home's exterior but adds a bit of personality. Deep navy, classic black, or even a bold red can make a statement. Lighting is another key factor. Consider upgrading your outdoor fixtures to something sleek and modern, or add pathway lighting to highlight your landscaping. One client added soft uplighting to showcase their property's mature trees, and it created a dramatic, elegant effect that buyers loved. Set the scene. With ambience and atmosphere, luxury homes should feel like a retreat. Create an atmosphere that is warm, inviting, and a little indulgent. Start with scent. Fresh flowers, scented candles, or subtle diffusers can make your home feel more welcoming. Make sure it is subtle and never overpowering. Stick to clean, neutral scents like linen or lavender. Lighting also plays a huge role. During the day, let in as much natural light as possible. Open the blinds, clean your windows to ensure they sparkle. Remove and store window screens to let in more clear light. For evening showings, use layered lighting to create a cozy ambiance. Table lamps, wall sconces, and dimmed chandeliers work beautifully. And don't forget the small touches. A bowl of fresh fruit on the kitchen counter, plush towels in the bathrooms, and luxurious bedding in the primary suite can all elevate the buyer's experience. Professional marketing. To showcase your home to the world in the luxury market, professional marketing isn't optional, it's essential. Start with high-quality photography that highlights your home's best features. For larger properties or homes with unique layouts, consider investing in drone footage or video tours. These tools give buyers a comprehensive view of the property and create a sense of scale that photos alone can't capture. Virtual tours are another must-have, especially if you're targeting out-of-town buyers. A well-produced video or slideshow tour can make buyers feel like they're walking through the home, even if they're halfway across the country. Don't forget about storytelling. Buyers want to know what makes your home special. Is it the custom finishes, the breathtaking views, the historical significance? Work with your agent to craft a compelling narrative that sets your property apart from the competition. Bonus tip: leverage smart home technology to impress buyers. In today's luxury market, buyers expect homes to be modern and tech-savvy. Adding or showcasing smart home features can give your property a competitive edge. Consider upgrading to a smart thermostat, installing a high-quality security system, or showcasing integrated and audio and lighting systems. A smart home hub can control everything from the lights to the blinds. During showings, we can demonstrate the system, and buyers will be wowed by how effortlessly they could manage the home's features with their phones. Make your home unforgettable. Preparing your luxury home for sale takes time, effort, and attention to detail, but the payoff is worth it. By focusing on presentation, staging, curb appeal, ambiance, and marketing, you're not just selling a home, you're selling a dream. Consulting with an experienced luxury home marketing agent, like me, will help you define the blueprint for preparing your home for sale. I'll advise you on where your money will be well spent and where it will be wasted. Thank you so much for watching. If you're preparing to list your luxury home, I'd love to help you showcase its best features and achieve the sale you're aiming for. I also offer a free home evaluation to provide insight into your home's value in today's market. If you're interested in more tips for selling your home, Check out my other videos or just pick up the phone and schedule your free consultation. This is Bambi Elstrom with eXp Realty and Charleston Coastal Living. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.